Are you interested in quiet country living? Feel free to check out my new listing in Westover, Maryland. Walking into your new home, brand new open foyer space. To your right, spacious open wooden living room. And a bonus room and or office as an addition. Stepping off to the right of the living room is going to be a step down into our kitchen with upgraded composite countertops, beautiful backsplash, and hardwood flooring. Wood stove for excessive heat, and utility room with oversized closet as well. Newly renovated downstairs full bath. Primary bed located on the main floor, as well as a connecting primary, recently renovated bath as well. At the top of the steps, another step down bonus room. And to our left, full gym room or another bedroom. And back across the hall, bedroom number 3. This house is over 1,600 square feet on nearly an acre with 4 outbuildings and a gazebo with spacious yard. If you'd like to see this property, feel free to give me a call.